Welcome to Lesson 8. In Lesson 8 we're going to be creating three separate parts. We're going to make a bolt, a nut, and a bracket, which are Project H, Project I, and Project J. In this video I'm going to demonstrate making Project H, which is the bolt. You may want to refer to the reference material guide, which is the 3-ring binder located on your desk. To begin, we're going to open up a new part file. So I'm going to select part, and I need to create a 2D sketch, so I'll go up and start 2D sketch. And again, we're going to be using the XY plane. I'll select XY plane, and I'm going to zoom all, so you can zoom out. And to begin, we need to start by drawing a polygon. So I'm going to select the polygon tool, which is located under the rectangle tool at the top, and I'm going to go down and select polygon here. We're going to make a 6-sided polygon, so make sure you have the number 6 in the polygon box. I'm going to select the center of, disregard the bell, sorry about that. Draw your polygon. When you're finished, select done, and there's your polygon. Now, we need to dimension this polygon, so I'll select the dimension tool. Click the upper horizontal line of the polygon, the lower horizontal line of the polygon. We're going to move your mouse to the right, drag the dimension to the right, click to place the dimension, and then edit that dimension, 0.75. Press enter on the keyboard or click the green check mark. Now that we have our polygon dimensioned, we're going to finish the sketch. Now we need to give this polygon some depth. So to apply that third dimension, we're going to extrude it. So I'll select the extrude tool, and under the extent distance we want to extrude this out a distance of 0.44 and then say OK to that. Now I can click the word front on the view cube, reposition my polygon, and the next thing we want to do is we're going to create a 2D sketch on the surface of this bolt. And to do that we need to start by selecting 2D sketch, click on the face of this bolt, and then we're going to draw a circle on here. So I'll choose the circle tool. I'm going to click in the center of my polygon, draw my circle, right click OK, and then we need to dimension this circle. To dimension that, we'll select the dimension tab, click on the circle, drag out, place the dimension, click to edit the dimension, and in this case the diameter of that circle is going to be 0.375. Click the green check mark or press enter on the keyboard. Now that we have our circle drawn on there, we're going to finish the sketch. I'm going to home this piece, and then the next thing we're going to do is extrude this circle out, which is going to give us the bolt. To do that, we're going to select the extrude tool, and we want to extrude this out a distance of, so again, under extent distance, I'm going to highlight this and change that to 1.5 and say OK to that. Click the home button, and now you can see we have an extruded bolt. Next, we're going to rotate this. I'm going to click on the view cube, click, hold, and drag, and that will allow you to rotate the bolt so we can see the face of this, or this plane, and we want to put a chamfer on this bolt. To do that, we're going to go up here and select the chamfer tool. We can choose chamfer or fillet. In this case, I want to put a chamfer on there. And the distance that I'd like to chamfer this is 0.05. So I'm going to place a chamfer of 0.05 on each edge of this bolt. So I'll select each edge, and you'll notice that as I'm clicking each edge, it's applying a chamfer to the head of the bolt. If I'm happy with that, I select apply, and I can close this window out. And now if I rotate that, you'll notice that I have a chamfered edge on the top of my bolt. The last thing we need to do is we're going to apply threads to this. And to apply threads to this, we're going to go up and we're going to expand the Holes tab, and you'll notice under Holes, Thread appears. Select Thread, click on the bolt, so I need to select Thread, click on the bolt, and then simply hit apply, and threads will now appear on your bolt. Now if we rotate that, you can see we have a threaded bolt that is 1.5 inches in length. Click the home button, and I'm going to go up and save that. So again, you go to File, Save As, go to your folder. Again, we're going to the class folder, powers, the trimester that you are currently in, the hour that you are currently in. Open up your folder. In this case, I'm going to open up my folder, and I'm going to save this as Lesson 8H. Save. So we've saved our first part now, and now we can move on and begin Lesson 8I, which is going to be the nut. That will be in the next video.